Lisa Hanna ties knot with businessman Richard Lake. Southeast Saint and Member of Parliament, Lisa Hanna will celebrate the Christmas holidays as Mistress Lake. The former Miss World, aged 42, wed her longtime boyfriend, 63 years old, businessman Richard Lake in a ceremony in St. Andrew on Saturday, December 9th, 2017. The pair exchanged vows on a balcony overlooking the city in a beautiful affair. There was a significant security presence at the event which had many high-profile guests, including a number of diplomats and other dignitaries in attendance. Hanna announced that she was engaged in February 2016 in an Instagram post with a photo of herself showing off a ring and the caption, "Yes, I said yes." Since then, she has shared some details of the wedding planning, announcing in September that her dress was being made locally. It is Hanna's second marriage, having previously tied a knot with businessman and then politician David Panton in 1999. The couple shares a son but got divorced in 2004 after 5 years of marriage. Lake is also getting married for the second time. Richard Lake of Restaurant Jamaica Limited is the franchise holder for Burger King Jamaica and is also involved in the horse racing industry or something of the sorts. Well, no horsing around, no Mr. Lake, or else. All the best to the newlyweds. I wish them bliss, blessings and babies. Well, on second thoughts, I wish them a fulfilling marriage and God's richest blessings. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.